Okay, I wanted to share with everyone really quick. It got buried underneath the new randomization feature. And is what it is, it's a smart variable that provides us the ability to hide that underscore when you're piping something to a different location and there's nothing there, so it leaves that line. So I've been working on this test project, and I wanted to share with you what it looks like.
Can you full screen your browser window,
Oh,
Tanya?
yes, sir. Is that better?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. So let me get over here. I was playing with it and wanted to bring it back. So this is what we do. Everyone's familiar with your piping and this, what it, when we set it up in the very beginning. Well, when there's nothing in that particular, there was no response for that particular area that's being piped. When you go to,
Save it.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yep.
So now when we go to the specific area where we want to see that piping, it shows this blank line. So we used to have to use the JavaScript or CSS injector, Manny?
JavaScript.
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 Yeah, he had written us this really nice JavaScript and we were able to use the external module and it removed it. But now they've provided us with this really nice smart variable. So all we have to do now is when we're creating our piping is to do this hide underscore colon. And we're going to add it to the variable that we want piped. So we have the smart variable. I'm going to save it. So now when we look at it, there's nothing there. The line is gone. Some folks, when you have a lot of stuff that you're piping through, the line causes confusion and it causes questions. But now by eliminating that line, this one, and then we'll go back over here. We'll reset, save and stay.
Looked good.
And then we'll come back over here. And yeah. So it's a real simple little extra that I know that they just, took Manny's original JavaScript and turned it into a smart variable. But play with that one. Thought you might be interested in it.